Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we turn creativity into practical tools. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design custom budget sheets using Canva. Whether you're looking to get your finances in order or just want a stylish way to track your expenses, Canva has you covered. Let's dive in. First things first, log in to your Canva account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's quick and free. Selecting a budget sheet template. On the Canva homepage, type budget sheet or budget planner into the search bar. Canva has a variety of templates that are already designed to help you manage your finances. Choose a template that best suits your needs. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to open the editor. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to customize any template to fit your personal style. Customize your budget sheet. Now that we have our template, it's time to make it your own. Let's start with the layout. You can rearrange sections, add new categories, or remove any sections you don't need. To change a section, just click on it, and you can adjust the text, colors, and fonts. Adding icons and images. Next, let's personalize the design by adding images and icons from Canva's library. Click on Elements in the side panel and search for icons that represent income, expenses, or savings. Drag and drop them into your design. You can also use Canva's Photos section to add background images or decorative elements that match your aesthetic. Whether you prefer something minimalistic or colorful, Canva's vast library has something for everyone. Finalize and download your budget sheet. Before we wrap up, let's make sure everything looks perfect. Double-check your layout, ensure all categories are covered, and that your text is easy to read. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download your budget sheet. Click on Share at the top right corner, then select Download. I recommend downloading it as a PDF for easy printing and access. You can also save it as a PNG or JPG if you prefer to keep it digital. And there you have it, your very own custom budget sheet designed in Canva. Now you can track your expenses and manage your finances in style. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more creative design tips. Let me know in the comments what other Canva projects you'd like to see next. Until next time, happy designing, and stay on top of your budget.